number 7 is the exact same. Weird. Number 7 is the exact same solution here. Yeah, number 7 is the exact same solution. Weird. Okay, so I think I picked this on purpose just so I can fill out both of them. I don't remember. Just give me a second. I think I finished. I did both of these guys here. Yeah. Yeah, I picked both of these because I wanted to finish both of them and just verify great solution, but can also include intervals of increase and decrease. And then you can say, I said that increasing here is from 2.5 to infinity. And then from decreasing is negative infinity to 2.5. There we go. So solution here is